to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to install Inshot and other amazing applications. I showed you two more amazing video editing applications which you can use to edit your videos. So if you have not watched that video, you can check the description below and get to watch the tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Inshot. Okay, I'm going to open my Inshot application. Can you see it? I've been able to install it. So this is the interface of Inshot. It's one of the amazing video editing applications that I'll be using in this tutorial. So this is the interface of Inshot. As you can see, this is for video. If you want to edit your videos, you click on video. This is for pictures. If you want to edit your pictures, you click on it. This is for photo collage. If you want to combine two or more pictures together, you use photo collage. And then, so let's come down. If you come down, you're going to see materials and a lot of things. All these ones you have to put on your data in order to use them. So like I've told you that Inshot does not need data connection, right? So I want to off my data so that for you to know that everything can still work perfectly well. Then I'll go back. So this is for settings. If you click here now, can you see I'm using the pro version? Like I've told you, it says join Inshot pro version. Can you see it's checked? I'm using the pro version. So these are settings. This is where you can decide to set your videos on tick mark, the resolution that you want, and a lot. Okay, you can just set the applications how you want it to be and all that. Okay, if you want to clear check, I click here. I'll clear checks, clear all the video that I've saved, because one of the things you're going to benefit from using Inshot is that even if you are editing videos and at some point you mistakenly close up the application, your video will be saved as draft. Okay, even if you're not the one that selects draft, okay, even if you're not the one that choose to save it as draft, once you are not able to save the video, that video will automatically be saved for you as draft. That is one of the benefits. So if for example you're editing now and you mistakenly close up your app, it's not the type that you now come to Inshot again and start from the beginning. No, Inshot will save it as draft for you. So if I click on video now, can you see all these things that are here? These are my recent works. Can you see I have up to 446 drafts. If I click on it now, I can see a lot of works. Okay, some may not be able to play if the clip that I use on editing has been deleted from my phone. Like now, this particular video now, can you see this one? Can you see now? You are not seeing all the video because the video itself has been deleted from my phone. That is why it's blank. Okay, but if I show you those ones that have not been deleted, like this one now is the one I did recently. I think it's still on my phone. Can you see? Okay, so can you see now? So it's still on my phone. Can you see? That is why you're able to see the stuffs. Okay, so that is it. That's one of the benefits that you're going to get from using Inshot. So let me still go back. Can you see now? I just go back. Can you see what it shows? It shows draft saved. So that is one of the benefits, and that more reason I love using Inshot. Inshot. Even on Capcut does that too. Okay, so if you click on video now, can you see? Like I've told, this is recent files. This one is for new. Click on new. You have to select the video that you want to edit. Okay, to be able to know the video that you want to edit, let's say for example I want to edit this video. Let's say I want to edit this video. Let me select this video now. Let's say I want to edit this video. I think this video has been edited, but let me just select it. Okay, I'll select it. Once, let me show you this. Sorry, I did not, let me discard it. I did not show you very well. Once you click on new, select the video that you want to edit. Let's say this is the video now. Select it. You come down here. Can you see this check mark? Can you this mark that is here? Click on it. You can select more than two. Let me also go back again. Let me go back and show you more. You can select more than two videos. Can you see? I can check more than. Okay, I'm removing them now. The ones I've checked, I'll just click to remove them. Okay, I'm removed. I just want to select only one, which is this one. Okay, so if you want to select images, can you see this is video, this is photo. If I click on it, it will show me all my photos. If you want to show more, just press and hold your photo. Okay, if you want to see the preview, okay, just press and hold it. Even before you, if you want to see the preview of the photo first before you select it, just press and hold it, press it and hold it. Can you see now? It will not show you the full picture first, so that if you like it, you will now select it. I will now select it. Okay, if you don't like it, you just leave it as it were. Okay, then the next one is all. Can you see it up here? If you click on all, it will just be a mixture of both your videos and your pictures. Can you see? A mixture of this is a video, this is a video, this an image, this an image. Can you see? Just a mixture. Okay, but I always love it to, if it's a video that I want to select, click on video, you select it, look out for your video, you look out for the video that you want to select and select it. Then if it's for photo, you look out for it. Then up here, can you see up here where you see materials? If you click on materials, you're going to see some inbuilt materials that is on Inshot. Okay, it's something like what I call it, templates. Okay, just like stickers, intros, a lot. Okay, these are the ones that actually came along with Inshot. But for you to be able to access them, you need to turn on your data. You need to have internet connection. Okay, so once you're able to have internet connection, you'll be able to download those ones that you need. Okay, so like in here now, you can see this one has something like this thing means it have not been downloaded. This one has something like this too. Can you see? But if you come down here, can you see there is nothing like such here? Okay, also on this one there is nothing like such here too. It means I'm able to download these ones. I have these ones with me. I can use them even when I don't have internet connection. Okay, so that is it. Let me show you. Let me just click on this. Let me just click on this. Let me just click on this. Remember now, I just selected. If I click on album now, you remember I selected one video, right? One video. Where is it? Can you see? This is the video. So under material, I selected this one too. Then there's a low lot. I don't know. Turn on our data. Let me see. Okay, can you see now? Yes, it's better you see how it is and then know things that are in on it. Okay, so can you see now? I just turn on my data and that's display. So this is the ones that I showed you that I have. Can you see this one I've just selected? Okay, can you see the download icon is not on this one? It's also not on this one because it's also not on this one because I'm able to download them. Okay, they are now on my phone. So even if I don't have internet connection, I can use them. But now I turn on my internet connection, it will help you to see how it looks like. Okay, so these are the things that you can add on your videos. You can use this as an intro. Can you see this? You can use this as an intro. I'm even downloading it now. I don't want to download it. Okay, but as you go on, you're going to see how we are going to use it. You can use this thing as an end. You can use this thing. Thanks for watching. You tell people to subscribe to your channel. Okay, so let's go back. Then I'll be able to select two clips, one for me and then one for material. Okay, so I click on this checkbook. Okay, let me show you now. This is the one clip, right? This is the first clip. Okay, can you see this is the second? Can you see that second? That one I selected from material. Can you see it's actually a subscribe video. Okay, so that is it, guys. So this is really the interface of Capcut. This is the interface of Capcut. If you can see it now, there's a lot of things that are here, that are button up here. You can see this first button that is up here. You are going to use it to go back. If you want to go back, let's say you want to go out from this interface, you click here. Okay, but once you click there, can you see it will even ask you whether you want to save it as draft or you want to discard it. Save as draft means that it will be on my Inshot application, which I can just come back and then start from and even continue from where I stopped. Okay, or I want to delete it from Inshot. It's not deleting from my own video gallery, no, it's deleting it from Inshot. Okay, if I don't want it to be on Inshot recent files, I'll just click on discard. Once you click on discard, this thing with this mark good will come up. You click on mark good, it will be out from Inshot. Okay, but if you want to save it so that maybe next time you come back to it and then do some adjustments, some corrections and all that, you save it as draft. So can you see I even mistakenly saved as draft. Okay, let's say yes, we have been able to save it as draft now, so I don't need to import that videos again because I'll be able to save it as draft. What I'm going to do is now is I click here. Can you see it here? I click here. Can you see it? This one and this one. Can you see? Okay, so that is it. Then the second the second icon that you're seeing up here is, I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, the second icon you're seeing here is app icon. If you click on it, you're going to see app. If you want anything, questions that you want to watch the videos, how it works and all that, you can come here and watch the videos and know how those things work. This is for Pro. Okay, how to restore any app that you need. This for questions, frequently asked questions, FAQ. You can look out for it. Okay, so the next one is save. Can you see? If I click on this save now, I will just adjust the resolution that I want. Or if you want to save your video with 1800 resolution, you just leave it as it way and then click on save. Then if I click on save now, can you see it will start converting the video. So but I'll come to click here and cancel it. It say, do you want to cancel this video converting? I say yes. Okay, I don't want to save it now. Okay, so that is it. The next thing we are going to do, I'm going to show you now. Can you see below here? Can you see below here? There are icons. There are a lot of things. You can see canvas. You can see music. You can see sticker. You can see. Let me just go through all this and just explain how they works. For canvas, if you want to, canvas is used when you want to resize your video. If I click on canvas now, you're going to see that my video is on portrait. Actually, I started this video with portrait. Okay, this is the portrait, that is why you are seeing this. Okay, so this is the first one, which is fit. If I click on fit now, my video will just fit with the size of the video itself. Okay, if I click on this one by one, this is for Instagram size. If you click on it, can you see now Instagram size is actually square size, but my video is not square size. Can you see my video is long? Okay, it's on portrait. It was videoed using portrait. Okay, so this is for Instagram too. Can you see? So this is for YouTube 16:9 ratio. Can you see how it is? So it's very, very obvious that whenever you are shooting your videos, you'll be able to know which social media platform that you want to upload those videos on. Okay, so if for example you want to do you want to shoot videos for YouTube, it's obvious that you need to place your phone. If you're using phone, you need to place your phone on landscape, because can you see now YouTube videos are not on portrait, they are on landscape. So it's obvious that this video should not be like this, but rather I have to turn the phone itself should be like this. Can you see how I just turn this? You're still going to learn it more. Okay, so this video the phone itself has to be turned so that the video will going to video it so that I'll be able to use this 16 by 9 canvas to edit it, because I want the video to be uploaded on YouTube. Okay, but as you can see this video now, we're able to shoot this video using portrait. So can you see there's a lot of space here, there's also a lot of space here. The video is just at the middle, okay, but this video actually fits in for TikTok. Can you see TikTok is 9 by 16. Can you just see now, it just fits in on TikTok. Okay, so you need to understand the social media platform that you want to add your videos, and then know the orientation that you are going to use to shot the video. I believe you understand this. So in the next video, I'm going to show you other icons and also explain it to the fullest. Okay, I'm going to explain other icons, how to add music, and a whole lot. So under this canvas you can see a whole lot of canvas. There's many. Okay, so anyone that you want, you choose. So remember what I just did, you can still resize your video. Can you see, just with your hands you can still resize it. Can you see how I'm just resizing it? Just with your hands you can resize it. Let's say I select this in TikTok now, I can say, okay, I want it to be small like this. I want it to fill up the, so can you see these black spaces? These black spaces are the main size of the TikTok, so I can make it to fill it up. So that is it. Once you are through, click here. Sorry, I have not been able to show it. Okay, you can even use this to resize. Can you see? So once you are through, you click here and it will fill up. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to navigate all these tools. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. Don't just subscribe. After subscription, click on the bell and make it to be on all. Once you click on that bell, something will display for you, and then you click all, so that all the videos that will drop on this channel, you will get notification that we have dropped an amazing video. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.